This year we participated in the Stadsspelen, a free sport and movement festival in The Hague. We gave a workshop on African dance. The purpose was to teach people how to dance the shuffle, one of the most fun dances at parties. First, we gave a workshop to the kids, explaining to them how African dance movements are based on the natural rhythm and movements of animals, birds, trees, and nature. And African dance connects us to nature. It's fun, it's sportive, and energetic. Enjoy. We then gave a workshop for the adults as well to explain the basic movements, to demonstrate the basic movements. The purpose is, of course, not to count, but to feel the music in your heart, in your soul, in your whole being as you go through these steps. But first, of course, it's important to know how to move.
1 en 2. Naar links en 2. 1 en 2 naar achter. Begin. 1, ja. Dus het is een heel repetitieve pas. Het is niks moeilijks aan. Toch? Ja, het is heel makkelijk, ja. Ik ga naar jullie verkeren. Dus 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Zo. En dan gaan we naar rechts. 1. En dan gaan we beginnen met onze shuffle. Dus 1, 2, naar rechts. 1, 2, 3. Ja, goed zo. Maken. Ja. En weer naar rechts. 1, 2, links.
It was a very fun afternoon sharing some vibes, African vibes with everybody, young and old. Would like to share more with you, so don't go away. Subscribe, like, and share this video and stay connected with us. Over and out.